Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Mist Grass Wick in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher. Once you're in game, press Escape on your keyboard, which will bring up the game menu. Now go to Shop by clicking here. Once you're inside the shop, click on Buy Mist Bargains, which is right over here. Now scroll down until you find Mist Grass Wick. It's right over here. So as you can see, this item is going to cost me 2 Masterless Star Glitter. If you have it, click on the item first and then click on Exchange. Once you've clicked on Exchange, the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!